Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to order or how to shop on Taobao using your bank card for payment, and this is going to be a full complete tutorial. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using Taobao, Pinduoduo, Alibaba, or AliExpress, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up my Taobao Chinese shopping app. So after you open up your Taobao Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and search for product. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for product from Taobao. You can scroll down right here. The more you scroll down, the more product is going to load up. However, you can also make use of search engine right here. Type the name of the product you are looking for right here, and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you do right here is to simply click on the camera icon, select the product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. After you search for product, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and add the product to cart. So once you add the product to cart, click on here to fill your cart. Then all the product you have in your cart is going to be found right here, just like what you see right here. So here, I'm going to go ahead now and select the product I want to buy and pay with my bank card. So right here, I'm going to use this particular product as an example. I'm going to select the product. Once you select the product, I'm paying the sum of 4.60 yen to purchase the product. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, review everything, scroll down right here, and you see different means of payment right here. However, I'm paying with my bank card right here. What we want to do is to make sure we click on here. If you are using your card for the first time, you will be asked to enter your card detail from the checkout, just like what you see right here. So here, you have to fill up detail about the card from the first option right here, which is the card number. So I'm using this card right here. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up the card detail. Then month and the year of the expire date. Then the CC fee, 3 digits at the back of the card. So right here, you can enable it for default payment. However, I'm going to turn it off. I'm not using it for default payment right here. So I'm using it for a one-time payment. So now all the card information has been saved, has been added right here. So I'm using it for one-time payment, just like what you see right here. Card name, card surname, and everything. Next thing we want to do is to click on this red button right here to proceed with payment. Then you can see our card has been successfully added right here. So next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and make payment for the product. I'm going to come down below right here, click on here to proceed with payment. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. So next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back, and the product will no longer be here. This is because we have successfully paid for this product. Next thing we want to do is to click on here now, and by the time I refresh my profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So just like so, we have paid for this particular product right here using our bank card in Taobao Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.